Alright guys, so I just got the bottle humidifier from ElevenPlus here, and I'm going to go ahead and box it and see kind of what's all in the box. And I ordered this on Friday, Saturday, and today's Monday. I mean, it came from South Korea. Humidifier. Ooh, there's two little things in there. Anything else? No, just an empty bottle now. Alright. So, we got this little bag it comes in. And it is a 440 millimeter bottle humidifier. Let's go ahead. Grab all this thing. It's actually pretty big. The website makes it look really, really small. Nothing else in there. Plastic bag. There we go. And what's this? Oh, it's a filter? Oh yeah, filter. Okay, cool. Yeah. ElevenPlus humidifier filter. Cool. That was like a pen or something. And yeah, I mean, really good quality. It's ABS plastic, and what I would assume is acrylic on the bottom here. And it runs off of USB power. Let's see. Locking mechanism there. And again, this is the ElevenPlus Bottle Humidifier. I'll have to go ahead and fill it up. Let's see how this filter works. Ah, there we go. I think. Yeah, it just has pressure mounted points there. So it looks like it comes with the filter already in there, and there is a replaceable filter, which is nice. Alright, let's get some water in. Alright, so I got water in here, and definitely be careful with filling it up. You don't want to fill it up all the way to the brim, just because the actual part that does all the work, it's going to displace a little bit of the water. So again, don't fill it all the way up because it will overflow. Go ahead and do this. Lock into place. There we go. Again, I'll zoom out here so you can see the whole desk next to the iMac, and it's pretty big. It's definitely pretty big. So again, the ElevenPlus bottle humidifier, and I may have to do another video after like a week of this and see if it makes any difference in my room, but yeah, so far pretty good.